Hello my precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, in today's video, I will be sharing with all of you my most favorite products, and in this video, I have included skincare, hair care, and by favorite, I mean that I have been using all of these products for more than a year now. So of course, these are my cult favorite products, and if you want to know what all I am talking about, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi. I'm the Sassy Leo and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Alright my precious people, now before moving ahead with this video, let me make it very clear that this is not at all a sponsored video. I purchased all of these products with my own money, and whatever I talk about in this video are my most honest views. So yeah, this was the little disclaimer that I wanted to give all of you. Now let's start with our video. So the very first thing that I have been using for years and years now is Extraordinary Oil Serum from L'Oreal. I have a lot to talk about this product. How I came to know about it? Of course from YouTube. My most favorite influencers and beauty enthusiasts on YouTube started talking about these, and वहाँ से ही I decided that I would purchase it. And this product is so amazing. I literally feel that my hair are so sad when I don't use this product after wash. And मैंने बीच में pause लिया था from using this, and I started using some other serum. So my hair felt so dry, frizzy. But the moment I came back to this serum and started using it, my hair literally felt so healthy and frizz-free. So yeah, this was such a lovely hair care product. Moving ahead to the next hair care product is coconut hair oil. Oh god, I have been using coconut hair oil since I was a baby, literally. एंड पहले तो हम पैराशूट ऑयल यूज़ करते थे, बट देन पतंजलि कोकोनट हेयर ऑयल, एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आई जस्ट कैन नॉट स्टॉप यूजिंग कोकोनट ऑयल. द रीज़न बीइंग, एवर आई स्टॉप यूजिंग कोकोनट ऑयल, आई लिटरली फील कि मेरे बाल लिटरली झाड़ू जैसे टर्न आउट हो चुके हैं. सिंपली आई हैव बीन फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हेयर फॉल इशूज, एंड फॉर दैट मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सारे ही हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल हेयर ऑयल्स यूज़ किए, बी इट केश पालव, बी इट फ्लावर्स रोजमेरी हेयर ऑयल. सो आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू कि मैंने बैद्यनाथ का भृंगराज हेयर ऑयल भी यूज़ किया है. एंड आई डोंट नो फॉर वॉट रीजन, बट जैसे ही मैंने भृंगराज हेयर ऑयल यूज करना स्टार्ट किया, माई हेयर फॉल लिटरली डबल्ड एंड माई हेयर वर लिटरली लुकिंग लाइफलेस. इसीलिए आई फेल्ट कि नहीं, आई शुड क्विट यूजिंग दैट, एंड आई केम बैक टू माई नॉर्मल कोकोनट hair oil, and I felt that my hair came back to life. I have heard quite a lot of people talking about coconut hair oils increasing hair fall and stuff, but I don't feel the same because I think my hair requirements may be different, and therefore I maintain my hair health using coconut oil only. So yeah, that was the thing कि I just cannot stop using coconut hair oil. So yeah, that's the thing. Here comes our skincare. So for skincare, my most favorite product and the only moisturizer I have been using for more than 3 years now is Minimalist 5% Marula Oil Moisturizer. I don't really think that my skin can do without this moisturizer. I have used ample of tubes of this moisturizer and cannot think about switching it. I feel that it has literally healed my skin. Now how I came to know about this moisturizer, if you guys have been following me for a while, you might be knowing ki I have extremely sensitive acne prone skin, and I was so exhausted while doing my research because I was not able to find the right products for my skin. Whatever I used, my skin used to react so quickly and I used to get breakouts. But then while I was doing my research, I came to know about this moisturizer from Minimalist, and I started using it, and surprisingly this moisturizer worked for me, and the way it healed my skin, it had literally helped build my skin's barrier. So yeah, that's why I am still using it, and no, I do not wish to switch it anytime soon. So yeah, now the next skincare product is my favorite serum. Along with the moisturizer, this serum also has a vast impact in repairing my damaged skin barrier, and it is 10% niacinamide plus rice water serum from Plum. It is still my favorite again. मुझे इसके बारे में पता चला था from Kritika, that is that boho girl. I watch her snaps a lot, so she told in one of her snaps that this product works like high end. So I decided कि चलो let's purchase it and see, and I do not regret buying this product. It is that amazing. The next skincare product that has worked wonders for my skin is Dermaco 2% kojic acid cream. Again, I have not switched. I am still using it. मैंने काफी साल पहले भी इसका full fledged review बनाया है. It is still on YouTube, and I think it is one of the most viewed videos on my channel. Now, kojic acid helps to fade the hyperpigmentation marks जो acne के वजह से आते हैं, and it exactly did the same. It definitely helped to fade out my acne marks. So yes, that's the thing. पहले तो मैं इसे as such use करती थी, but then I started mixing it with Cosrx snail mucin, and the combination did wonders to my skin. Next, moving ahead is a body care product, and it is again from Patanjali, and it is their body lotion. It smells amazing. इसकी fragrance ही नहीं, it actually moisturizes your skin very well. In the past years, I have been struggling so much because मैं body lotion use कर रही हूँ, and after some time again I feel dryness coming back. But this one from Patanjali, it retained the moisture for a long period of time. I am not saying कि full day आपको कुछ apply नहीं करना पड़ेगा. No, it is not the case. Of course, winter है तो dryness कुछ ज़्यादा ही होती है, but I felt कि I did not need to apply it as frequently as I had to apply other body lotions. So yeah, that was the point. And guys, this was all about my most favorite products that I cannot do without. And a quick little disclaimer once again that all of these products worked for me, इसीलिए I am talking about all of them. It is not mandatory कि अगर ये products मेरे लिए work किए हैं तो वो आपके लिए ही work करेंगे. काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है कि skincare and hair care products works for one person but couldn't work for another because skin and hair health both differ from person to person. So yeah, that's the thing. So हो सकता है कि what work for you might not work for me, and vice versa. So yeah, with this we come to an end of today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.